The best shoes for a beginner. So if you guys, there's na ako pugsun bay. What's up guys? So gani ko today, we're gonna buy shoes. First, like really running shoe good for real. Running for real. Preparation for this Sunday. I already know what I'm gonna get. Hopefully, naarid to sa akong plano palitan. Reason why in person ko gusto magpalit kaya I want to know if kung sige akong size based on research. Laylay gid siya. It's better to make sure, di ba? So yeah, let's go. Wait na, I'll show it sa card. The price ko okay, 11.5 akong feet, but the kanya siya is 10. That's crazy. So ako sa card, okay lang. So dito ko nagpalit. Muna siya. Wow! X-Step na 2000 km 3.0. Kani siya nga color. I fuck with this color, heavy. It's still budget one, but like as my first for real running shoes by. Mga ganyan suotan ako sa akong first nga 5K run, nga fun run this Sunday sa Rexona. So yeah, I'm proud of myself. Nabayar gid nako kani nga shoes. Yeah, X-Step. And gabi gina tanawag reviews nako before ani, and we'll see how it holds up. But so far the reviews ani are so good, and I know nga madili gid nako di siya. So yeah, let's run today with these. But first, I'll go take care of some errands and I'll see you guys later. Okay? See ya. First feels, gaan yung gaya siya. Feels, naisige sa tail. Like layo na kaysa akong gagamiton. Mas ma-feel na ko ang foam so far, and that's good. Wala pa na ako siya runner's knot, but yeah, we'll see and say kung ano yung investment. Let's do it. Whew. So first 1 km so far, ma-feel gina ako ang bounce. Lerigi siya sa akong usual kung ginagamit mga shoes. Turns out pan trainers na gito siya. So far 1k, I feel like mo binakapaspas ka 1k so far. Hindi ka na ako siya ginapush kasi sakit ka yung tiil. More work to be done, but so far good sang investment. Sakit yung kayo. Maybe there's na ako pugsun bay. Yung wala sa ito today. For real, this is the best shoes for a beginner. Kaning sakit sa until is not because of the shoes. Daanan niya siya. Kainan ka not wearing the proper shoes. That was 5k for 5 days na. Sa akong weight. That's all for today.